Hi! Today we have story time outside in Pennsylvania where it's nice and chilly, and we're going to read about planets. And this book is illustrated by Scott McDougall. That's who drew the pictures. And it's by Ellen Hasbrook. That's the author. This is the sun, shining so bright, giving us energy of heat and light. So when we look up at the sun, it looks like it's very small, but the sun is actually very, very big, and it gives us all of our energy and all of our light. And we have planets. And there are 8 planets. And the first planet, the one that's closest to the sun, here he is. It's Mercury. Next is Mercury, catching sun's rays. It has cold, cold nights and hot, hot days. And it circles the sun that shines so bright, giving us the energy of heat and light. So all of these planets are going around the sun. They circle the sun. Let's see the next planet. The next planet is Venus. It's followed by Venus, cloudy and dry, the brightest planet in the nighttime sky. Right after Mercury catching sun's rays, it has cold, cold nights and hot, hot days. It has hot, hot days, just like Mercury, because Mercury and Venus are the closest planets to the sun. All right, let's see what our next planet is. This is our first planet, second planet. Can you guess what the third planet is? The third planet from the sun is our planet. Does anybody know what our planet is? Let's see. It is Earth. That's where we live. We live on Earth. This is our home, our planet, our Earth, the cradle of life, the place of our birth. Lined up behind Venus, cloudy and dry, the brightest planet in the nighttime sky. So we are here. And that is our sun. So we are the first, second, third planet from the sun. Let's see what the fourth planet is. It looks like the same size as our planet. This is Mars. With its dry iron crust, it glows in the sky the color of rust. Poised after home, our planet, our Earth, the cradle of life, the planet of our birth. So it looks very similar in size to our planet, Earth. All right, let's see. So we have the first, second, third, fourth, fifth planet from the sun. Does it look bigger or smaller? That's right. This planet is bigger. This is Jupiter. Giant Jupiter, swirling and hot, is a ball of gas with a great red spot, which is after Mars. With its dry iron crust, it glows in the sky the color of rust. So this planet, Jupiter, is also the color rust, and it is made of gas. All right, let's see. So here's the big giant sun. In our planets, we have the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth planet from the sun. And I noticed something about this planet that the other planets don't have. That's right. It has rings around this planet. This planet is Saturn. Next comes Saturn with its beautiful rings, spinning through space on circular wings, which falls behind Jupiter, swirling and hot, a ball of gas with a great red spot. So we had Jupiter, now we have Saturn with the rings. All right, let's see. Here's the great big sun. And here's our planets. First, second, third. That's us. We are on Earth. Fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. Look at the color of this planet. Is it bigger or smaller than Saturn? That's right, it looks smaller. This is Uranus. Uranus is a planet tipped on its side. Did you notice that? It looks like it's on its side. Circling the sun on a lopsided ride, right after Saturn, with its beautiful rings, spinning through space on circular wings. So they are all going around this big sun. They are revolving around the sun. All right, so we have the sun, and we have our planets first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. Eighth. What color is the eighth planet? That's right. It looks blue. And it is Neptune. Here is Neptune, traveling through space, trading places with Pluto in a celestial race, which comes after Uranus, tipped on its side, circling the sun on a lopsided ride. So they are all circling or revolving around the sun. So these are the 8 planets. And there is a little planet. Scientists say that it is not a planet anymore because it's too small. And it is little baby Pluto. Pluto is the last, mysterious and small, a dark rocky planet. Scientists say it is not a planet anymore because it is too small. A distant ice ball, following Neptune, traveling through space, trading places with Pluto in a celestial race. So it is an ice ball. Because look how far from the sun it is. It is very far from the sun, so that's why it is just a ball of ice. And the planets that are closer to the sun are a lot hotter. And our sun, our Earth, which is 1, 2, 3 planets from the sun. It is hot in some places and cold in other places. But all the way out here in Pluto it's an ice ball, and we cannot live on the other planets. And that is our book about the planets. And we are so lucky to live on our planet, Earth. All right, I will see you boys and girls later. Thank you for joining me with Story Time with Miss Rose.